So the next set is TV serial team. Question is, there are three TV serials, BLH, MCKJ, and PZAD, being produced at Balaji Telefilms. The production house already has an existing workforce but requires specific skill set in each serial team which are not there in the existing serial team. It recruits some new team members based on these skill set requirement, and these members can work in one or more than one serials, right? Now, five persons, Ekta, Nachiket, Ruchika, Tanushri, and Zulfikar, are recruited by the production house to work in one or more serials. Each of them possesses a different pair of skills from among video editing, content writing, set designing, cinematography, makeup, costume, and sound music. So these are the skills, and the name of the persons are given who are well versed with these skills. Like Ekta is good at SD and MC, Nachiket is good at CG and MC, and so on, right? Now, further, some information is given. A team is said to have a particular skill set if at least one of its member has that skill set. Further, it is also known that each serial team recruits an equal number of new members and require exactly four skill sets. Done. MC and SD are required for all the three serials. So some information related to the skills requirement in the each and every serial is given to us. CW and SM are required by exactly two serials and the other skill set by exactly one. Ruchika is recruited in B team, Nachiket in P team. None of the serials include both N and R. Z and T are recruited. Zulfikar and Tanushri are recruited for exactly two serials, and one new member works in all the three serials. And the shooting for BLH is done on Monday, Thursday, for MCKJ on Tuesday, Friday, and PZ on Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday is holiday for everyone, right? So this was the information given. अब देखते हैं बच्चों इस सेट को कैसे हमको प्रोसीड करना चाहिए, किस तरह से हम इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस फोकस ऑन ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट, किस तरह से हम इसको यूज करना चाहिए. ओके, सो द पॉइंट इज each serial team recruits equal number of new members. So first of all, equal members should be there. यहाँ पे हम नोट कर लेते हैं. And each of the team has four skill sets. तो four skill sets हमें यहाँ पे चाहिए और equal number of members होने चाहिए. Done. So we have utilized point number one. MC and SD are required for all the three serials. So यहाँ पे 3 लिख लेते हैं कि this is required in all the three serials, both MC and SD, right? CW and SM are required by exactly two serials. CW and SM are required by two serials exactly, and remaining, that is V and CG, by exactly one serial. Use second point as well. Ruchika is recruited in BLH team. So we have Ruchika in this particular team. Ruchika is working in this team. Now since Ruchika is working, no, Ruchika is good at VE. So we can say that Ruchika यहाँ पे VE का जो role है वो obviously she will handle, right? So Ruchika is good at VE, and apart from that she is good at SM also. Fine. So Ruchika is good at VE and SM. तो हमने यहाँ पे use कर लिया कि in serial B we have already two skills present in form of Ruchika. So the Ruchika can take care of VE and SM. तो हमने वहाँ पे R लिख दिया है, right? Nachiket is in PZ team, so Nachiket is in this team, right? And Nachiket is good at CG and MC. CG and MC. So Nachiket is in PZ team and he is good at CG and MC. So I have written N over here. Nachiket will take care of this skill, right? So none of the serials include both Nachiket and Ruchika. So Nachiket plus Ruchika साथ में कभी भी नहीं हो सकता है. Done. We have used this point as well. Zulfikar and Tanushri are recruited for exactly two serials. So Zulfikar and Tanushri are recruited for two serials each. One new member works in all the three serials. Now see, we have five members. There is one person who is working in all the serials. That person cannot be Nachiket or Ruchika because they never work together. That person cannot be Zulfikar and Tanushri because they are working in two serials only. So that person has to be Ekta only, who is working in all the three serials, right? So this is Ekta. Then we have one new member works in all the three serials. We have taken care of this point as well. Further, shooting for BLH is done on Monday and Thursday. तो यहाँ पर हम नोट कर लेते हैं कि shooting is on Monday and Thursday for the serial B. It is on Tuesday and Friday for serial M. So Tuesday and Friday for serial M, and on Wednesday and Saturday for serial P. तो ये हमने नोट कर लिया, संडे इज हॉलीडे फॉर एवरीवन. So this was a direct information that was given to us in the question. Now we need to take care of the conditions. उसके according हमको ये पूरा fill करना पड़ेगा. Now in CG only one person was required. The requirement for CG was in one serial only, and that is being fulfilled by N. So we can simply put a cross over here. यहाँ पे किसी की भी requirement नहीं है. And the same goes for VE as well. V में भी एक का ही requirement था, एक ही serial में requirement था, वो fulfill हो चुका है, तो यहाँ पे कोई requirement नहीं है. तो इस तरह से हमने इन दोनों को कैंसिल आउट किया. नाउ एकता इज वर्किंग इन ऑल द थ्री सीरियल्स. एकता इज वर्किंग इन ऑल द थ्री सीरियल्स. तो यहां पर हम डेफिनेटली लिख सकते हैं कि एकता इज वर्किंग इन ऑल द थ्री सीरियल्स. एकता तीनों सीरियल्स में है. नाउ एकता इज गुड एट एस डी एंड एम सी. तो यहाँ पे एस डी में हम हर जगह एकता को हम फिल कर सकते हैं, एंड एमसी में हर जगह एकता फिल हो सकती है. So we have utilized this condition as well, right? Further, अभी और हमको क्या ध्यान रखना है कि each serial had 4 skills only. So for B serial, we have already utilized 4 skills. So this simply will be cross. CW में कुछ भी नहीं आ सकता क्योंकि 4 skill set है, चारों हम B serial में वैसे ही देख चुके हैं कि हो गए हमारे. So this will simply be a cross. यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. That means B serial में यदि और कोई भी आता है तो उसका जो स्किल सेट है वो CW या CG नहीं हो सकता है. CW या CG नहीं हो सकता है तो फॉर CW तनुश्री, तो वी कैन नॉट हैव तनुश्री ओवर हियर. यहाँ पे तनुश्री नहीं हो सकता है. एंड सिमिलरली वी कैन नॉट हैव फॉर CG वी हैव नचिकेत. वी कैन नॉट हैव नचिकेत ओवर हियर. ये नहीं हो सकता है यहाँ पे, राइट? इस तरह से हमने यहाँ तक किया है. नाउ सी, in CW there was requirement of 2 individuals. The skill set of CW is required in 2 serials basically. सीरियल बी में CW नहीं आ रहा है, वो हम कैंसिल आउट कर चुके हैं. तो रिमेनिंग 2 में देयर मस्ट बी अ पर्सन जिसका स्किल सेट CW हो, एंड CW स्किल सेट फॉर तनुश्री ओनली. So from this we can definitely say that Tanushri is definitely working in these 2 serials, definitely, because CW is required in these 2 serials. So we can simply write T over here. यहाँ पे तनुश्री आ गया. So we have 3 persons in this particular team. And as per this condition, we should have equal number of members in all the team. So serial B and serial M should also have 3 members each. Now see, I think Z works in 2 serials and only Z is missing now. We have utilized all the other members, only Z is missing now. So can we simply put a Z over here and here? एक बार चेक करते हैं. Now the skill set for Z is for SD. तो ठीक है, यहाँ पर Z आ गया है, तो SD का skill set. And apart from SD, Z is skilled in SM. तो यहाँ पर भी Z आ गया है, तो यहाँ पर भी Z आ गया है. यहाँ पे वैसे भी 2 का रिक्वायरमेंट था, तो we can simply cancel this out. So I think in this way we have completed this set. This was a good one, decent set था, अलग तरह का था थोड़ा. Now let us check out the questions. क्या-क्या questions दे रखे हैं. The absence of which of the following persons from B team will not affect the skill set requirement. बी टीम से कौन एब्सेंट हो जाए तो भी उनके स्किल सेट पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. ना इट कैन नॉट बी रुचिका. ना तनुश्री इज नॉट वर्किंग इन बी टीम. ये तो आंसर हो ही नहीं सकता है. इट कैन नॉट बी रुचिका एज वेल बिकॉज रुचिका इज रिक्वायर्ड. शी इज द ओनली पर्सन हैविंग वी स्किल इन टीम बी, राइट? वो भी नहीं है. एकता, नाउ एकता इज अगेन रिक्वायर्ड फॉर एमसी स्किल. नाउ जुल्फिकर इज वर्किंग विद समवन एल्स. सो इन केस जुल्फिकर इज एब्सेंट, then also we have one some other person to take care of that particular skill. So the answer to this question is option C, that is Zulfikar. Which of the following persons does not get any leave between Monday and Saturday? Throughout किसने काम किया है? The only person that is common in all the 3 teams is Ekta. एकता ने throughout काम किया है. If absence from work calls for a penalty, then which of these pairs can go out for lunch on Wednesday such that neither is penalized? Anushri and Zulfikar. This is not Anushri, basically Tanushri. T is missing over here. So Wednesday, we are talking about Wednesday. Now Wednesday we are having serial P. Tanushri, now Tanushri cannot go. She is the only person having CW skill. तो Tanushri तो नहीं जा सकती. So we can simply cancel out this option. Nachiket and Ekta. Now Nachiket again is working alone on CG. Ekta is working alone on SD. Now this cannot be our answer. Zulfikar and Ruchika. Now see, Zulfikar I think is not working on Wednesday. So he is free basically. Right, and second one is Ruchika. Ruchika again I think is not working on Wednesday. So these 2 persons are free, so they can go on lunch. इन पे पेनल्टी नहीं लगेगा, दे आर नॉट वर्किंग ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर डे. एंड देन अगेन एकता एंड रुचिका वी कैन कैंसिल आउट दिस वन आल्सो, क्योंकि रुचिका इज नॉट वर्किंग ऑन वेडनेसडे बट एकता इज. तो सी ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस वन. Which of the following pairs of skill set was not requirement for the recruitment of new personnel? Now see, V and CG. Now V और CG में अपन देखेंगे V and CG. So I think the person who can take care of both V and CG is, now see, in V we are having Ruchika and Ruchika is not required over here, right? यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे कि CG में किसी का भी requirement नहीं है, Ruchika का requirement नहीं है. CG we have Nachiket over here. So since Nachiket and Ruchika were already in team B and P respectively, so there was no requirement to recruit any other person for that. So I think option A is the correct answer, V and CG. इनके लिए आपको किसी और की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं रहेगी. ऑलरेडी वी हैव रुचिका एंड नचिकेत इन द टीम, है ना, एंड दे आर फुलफिलिंग दिस स्किल सेट, राइट. व्हाट आर द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्किल सेट्स इन सीजीएल बी एंड पी for which the new recruits do not have a team and have to work alone? So in team B and P, so we have Ruchika working alone in team B, Ekta working alone, and in team P, Tanushri, then Ekta, then Nachiket. So these 5 skill sets are there. यहाँ पे alone work करना पड़ेगा new recruit को. Last question. Select the combination of persons for which exactly one among the two is present on Monday to Saturday throughout, right? Ruchika and Nachiket. Now Ruchika is available on Monday, Thursday, and Nachiket on Wednesday, Saturday. So 2 days are missing. So this cannot be our answer. Nachiket and Tanushri. Tanushri is working with Nachiket, but neither Tanushri nor Nachiket works on Monday and Thursday. So second option again cannot be our answer. Nachiket और Tanushri में से कोई भी Monday और Thursday को work नहीं कर रहा है, तो वो 2 days खाली रह जाएंगे. Zulfikar and Tanushri. Now Zulfikar is working on Monday. He is working on Thursday. He is working on Tuesday. He is working on Friday. Now 2 days are left, Wednesday and Saturday. Now on those 2 days, Tanushri is working. She is in serial P, so she is working on Wednesday and Saturday. So if we select this pair, and they are never working together, and this was the condition, exactly one among the two is working from Monday to Saturday. So I think the answer should be option C. And last option, although we have already checked this one, Nachiket and Zulfikar. Now again, Zulfikar is working on Monday, Thursday, Tuesday, Friday, and Nachiket is working on Wednesday and Saturday. So ये भी एक हमारा आंसर हो सकता है. Now let us check इन दोनों में से कौन सा सही आंसर होना चाहिए. So definitely the correct answer is Nachiket and Zulfikar. Why? Because I think in this option we are contradicting one condition, and the condition is that exactly one of them should be present. Now Tanushri and Zulfikar both are present on Tuesday and Friday. So this is contradicting the condition. So this cannot be our answer as well. Option C भी नहीं हो सकता है. So definitely option D is our answer. I hope आपको अच्छे से clear होगा बच्चों ये set. Thank you.